I'm Sales and Marketing Director at Coemar in Italy, and the luminaire that we will talk about today is this one. It's called Reflection. I'm Italian, so please, if you have any, just don't criticize my English. Just the product is the thing that we have to be focused on. The fixture comes in two different versions. One is called FullSpectrum and the other one is called Very White. The product started from a specific customer and marketing request. We had a lot of lighting designers asking us, first of all, not to lose the benefit of the energy saving that the LEDs are giving. Second, the market and the potential customer of the fixture ask us not to invent something too expensive. So we started from 2 points that I have to remind you, simply because you can pick up a lot of solutions, but sometimes they are not economically efficient or they are not electrically efficient. And with these two elements in mind, we ask to the Coemar R&D department, mainly in one very simple sentence, to lose the dots in an LED fixture. So we ask them to design something with no pixels, where the no pixel and no dots situation would generate a beam that has no multiple shadow. That's the other thing. Because one of the main criticisms that we are receiving in today's market is that the fixture have a kind of a front look that is very pixel or dots, or call it as you wish it. And when I put my hand or the subject in a spot, generate multiple shadow. So these are the two main things that we want to avoid. The third thing is that in the Coemar line and in many of our competitors' line, we found that everybody was using the LEDs to color mixing. Color mixing is an easy way to go in the year 2010, but you don't achieve good white. So the next step that we asked to resolve was to have a good 3200 and a good 9000 Kelvin and a good color mixing. So no dots, good white, perfect color mixing, and any white. In addition to that, we ask to generate an energy efficient zoom. And altogether seems to be like easy, but they all told me that was very difficult to achieve. So we had to invent something. We had to patent something. Otherwise, in today's market, we found that there is nothing like that. In addition to that, what we thought is that we could have based our innovation and invention on the lamp, standard lamp technique. So inside this light, what you will see is a front lens that is modular. You will see a lamp that is modular, an LED-based lamp that is modular, a reflector that is modular. These allow this fixture to be future-proof, because any accessories that the lighting designer will ask for, the light will be ready for. So more efficient LEDs, amber instead of white, anything, a tight reflection, a polarized front color filter, anything. The light is modular, so any module can be replaceable. The light is works with any power. and power in and power out, but we're talking about innovation right now. The solution that we found is that we have generated a very compact LED source in the center of an axial parabolic reflector. The axial parabolic reflector is bouncing back a perfect mixed light. The axial movement in the center of the parabolic reflector generates a perfect linear zoom, 10 to 17 half peak angle or 16 to 25 1/10 peak angle. The light output is very similar to a standard PC. It's very similar to a Fresnel with the simple addition of a gel medium filter. And let's go into what we really have achieved. No dots, perfect. You can see the light on. There is no dots. It's mixed at the very beginning, so there's no dots in the old beam is a perfect color mixing. No multiple shadow, not at all whatsoever. Means anywhere from here to the final focal point, if your face is in between, it doesn't generate any multiple shadow because it's not generated by lenses. The color beam is, I'm doing this since many years. It's probably one of the best color mixing you can see in the market. And a few extra achievement that we had is that the fixture can work in RGB mode or in CMY mode. So you either decide if you want to match the color temperature of a discharge lamp or the color temperature of a tungsten fixture. And we also have added the gel mode. So you can pre-select, and then DMX will allow you to scroll through the scroller mode. So you can scroll between colors in a digital mode, and you can fade down to 0 without you fade down without any color variation. So so you select a certain Roscoe color or any color, you can put them in a sequence, call them from the desk, and you will have the perfect return. So in our idea, the CMY, RGB, and scroller mode are theatrical, discharge, and tungsten. So you are kind of achieving what your industry specific will want. The white is a perfect white, 3200, 9000, with you can select the white you want. Energy efficient. Don't forget my first kind of introduction should be energy efficient. There's no filter. We could have done the easy way. It's a big Fresnel lens, 2000 watt LEDs, but where's the benefit? It's a lot of LED, a lot of power, and you're killing the power. Here it's extremely efficient. Another software achievement, you can change upload, download curves. The software is absolutely very advanced. So what I can do, I can go into the discharge curve, the tungsten curve. Even if it's an LEDs, you may want to have the soft effect of a tungsten lamp if you have to match tungsten lamp. So you just go in tungsten mode, and your fade down will be a tungsten fade down. It's strobing. The fixture is strobing with a boosted blinder effect. So we are using the LED to keep the maximum life of the LED. So it's 50,000 hour. The boosted is allowed only when in strobe mode. And I don't know how many, the strobe is for a digital fixture is absolutely free. So it doesn't cost any money. As I said, you can go from soft edge to hard edge. And extra plus, the design is being made to be compatible with any standard park-end accessories that rental companies have in stock. So you don't need to buy any bandos, framing, holders. You've got everything in stock. The future technology ready, I spoke a little bit about it. It's a modular lamp, modular optics, is ready for future development. It's flicker free. You can vary the PWM frequency via DMX. 50,000 hour at 70% of lumen intensity. Energy saving because it's 190 watt at full intensity. Remote display is a standard technology that Coemar has, is bidirectional. So you can upload, download software all through the fixer. The patents that I didn't mention, the whole system is patent pending. The lamp source that I've got a colleague of mine that is a technician ready to show you if you want. So it's the lamp source is fully patented. The way axial to the reflector that the fixture achieves the zoom, it's patent. The parabolic reflector with the LED is patent. So and right now the whole system is patent pending. So just for kind of remind you, lose the dot, we achieve it. Lose the multiple shadow, a good white, linear zoom, and color mixing straight from the source. I think that's it.